So today I'm working on a 2002 Ford Explorer, and what was happening was when I go to try and use the lock button on the driver's door, the lock mechanism wouldn't work. Unlock worked, lock didn't. So my first inclination was the switch was bad. Tested the switch was good. So after doing some research on YouTube, found that this the pink and yellow wire that goes through the door, through that boot and into the cab was a pretty common problem. And of course mine was broken. It was actually broken up inside the door there. And so tried to find the location to splice into, and so my first inclination was to go up under the dash into the wiring harness, and there is a pink and yellow wire, but that actually goes to the windshield wipers. So what I found is I removed the kick panel from the side there, and running down here there is a pink and yellow wire right there, and I've actually spliced that and ran a jumper wire through the door to the broken pink and yellow wire and just temporarily hooked it up, and everything worked perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and solder this jumper wire in to there and solder it up to the door here, connecting that link, and we'll see if it works. Okay, so I went ahead and soldered up that orange jumper wire right there to the pink with yellow stripe wire that runs through the big wire loom right down there. Soldered that up, pulled the kick panel off. I loosened up the emergency brake so that I could get the orange wire behind that bracket right there. Ran that orange wire up through, right through the firewall there, through the boot into the door, and there it is right there. Went ahead and soldered the orange wire to this pink and yellow wire and hooked the switch up. And now the lock button and unlock button work both. So if your lock button does not work on your driver's side door switch, it is very likely a broken pink and yellow wire somewhere between the inside of the door, in that boot, or somewhere down in here. So if you're looking for a way to fix that, that worked for me. Hopefully this helped you. Good luck.